So hello, and look what did I find in the dumpster, a 23 inches Full HD Samsung LCD monitor. It's pretty basically in perfect working condition, however it looks like its DC plug was snapped and was previously repaired by some fool who straightly soldered the wire of the power supply on the board, which eventually got sorted. And that's a shame because it must have been a paid repair, perhaps for like 30 or 40 bucks, so the owner thought it is not worth fixing it again, so it got inappropriately disposed. The plastic cover has some salt residue from the all-purpose cleaner I've used, but also something weird. Unusual burn marks? Maybe from contact with the power supply, as the stand was missing and most likely had got smashed. But I've got this feeling that these marks might be from candles? The power supply it came with has a high input resistance, which means its primary side is not sorted nor the fuse is blown, so I can safely say that this power supply works. Now you see, my problem is that I hate the slim screen designs with external power supplies with all this wire mess going on. They are more reliable as 95% of the problems is caused by filter capacitors going bad, but for me, all this has to be in one piece. Now time for some testing. My conclusion is that I've scored a technically good 23 inches Full HD monitor out of trash. Thanks for watching, don't forget to comment, rate and subscribe for more videos to come.